Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I can understand, and
Are you
I can.
okay? Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
I'm willing to go to Malaysia.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am. I have a friend there.
Okay, so do you know which place they were designated?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, so are you healthy or do you have any health issues?
No, I have no health issues.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you wanted to come here in Malaysia?
Uh, I want to earn money to save money for my mother and my father. My
Okay.
mother had stroke and senior.
Okay. So why you didn't go to Singapore or Hong Kong?
I don't like their mom.
Okay. So
I'm afraid.
can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Uh, Hi, I'm Carmen Olimos. I'm 40 years old. I'm an ex-abroad, way from Saudi. I want to work in the Malaysia, so to earn money for my family. And I, what is it? I have a sibling, only one, but I'm a breadwinner, so that's why I want to work in abroad.
Okay. So Carmi, I need to know some few more details from you first, okay? Do you have
Yes,
passport?
yes, ma'am. I
Are you
have.
single or married?
I'm single.
Do you have children?
I don't have mom.
When is your birthday?
June 18, 1984.
What is your height and your weight?
I'm 50, 5'3" and 60 kilogram.
5'3" or 5'2"?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm 5'3".
You are 5'3".
Yes,
Okay, what is your religion?
a Catholic po.
What about your educational background?
I'm undergrad.
Undergrad of high
High,
school? High
high
school.
school.
Okay, is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
They asked me.
So, what about your parents? How old is your parents and what
Uh,
is their occupation?
they don't have occupations. 65 years old. My mother and father is 65 years
Okay, both 65, is it? Okay, so it is not new for you to work being a domestic helper, right? Because you mentioned to me that you have a working experience in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia way back 2019 to 2022, am I right?
old. Yes, ma'am.
You worked there for 3 years, is it? Can
Yes.
you share it with me? What are your primary duties to your previous employment in KSA?
Uh, I'm working there, cleaning the house, ironing, and then wash the clothes. Only like that one.
Did you cook there?
No, because I have a what you call that?
Colleague.
Yeah, in the she's Filipino also. She's the one to cook, and then I'm the one who clean the house, washing, and then clothes.
Okay,
I
so how many total family members you work there in KSA?
7, ma'am.
So they have children.
Yes, 5.
So did you take your children also?
No, ma'am, because they are adult now. 33 years old, 27, 29, 25, 18.
Okay, so you know that being a domestic helper is very tough, right? So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Of course, ma'am. I'm
So
willing to.
so you embrace yourself because Middle East and Malaysia is quite different, okay? Houses here is very big and most especially if there is children inside the house or elderly, you need to assist them also and you need to take care, okay?
Willing to cooperate my job, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Of course, ma'am. I'm willing.
Okay, are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Okay, ma'am.
Can you take
I
care
will,
elderly people?
of course, mama. I have my mother, so that's why I can take my
Okay.
elder.
Can you cook?
Um, slight, mom.
Okay, but are you willing to learn like new recipes or like new cuisine?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn.
Okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Okay. Of course, ma'am. I have a pet in our house. Cat. I have cat.
Okay, so you have a 2 years contract, okay? It's you also got 2 years contract while you were in KSA, right? So you have a 2 years contract. You were going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you can easily go back home. Breaching of contract or terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. If you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. So don't give it a try to ask permission to the employer once you come to work here in Malaysia that you will go out on your rest day, because we will going to adhere with our rules and regulations about no go out policy. Okay, are you okay with these rules and regulations?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, as I have mentioned, we don't force people to come here as long you are clear and you are clarified. I just wanted to make it clarify in our initial interview about all these things and about our policies. Okay, if you are okay, then it's okay. If you disagree, then it's okay also. We don't force people to come here. Just don't give us headache and don't give us or don't demand us about all these things once you come to work here in Malaysia. Yeah? Because in the first place, in our initial interview, I already informed you about all these things and you also agree. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, how do you handle your homesickness? Of course, I know that you are an independent woman. I know, and I can see it from your face. So, sometimes homesickness strikes us anytime and anywhere. Normally, how do you handle it?
I'm busy when I'm back in the Saudi. When I'm the homesick, sometimes I'm uh, thinking of my family, and then I'm thinking of my family because I want to uh, have a job for my family only. I'm thinking like that, mom.
Okay, always remind yourself why you wanted to come abroad and why you wanted to work in other countries, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you have some goals in your life. Okay, this is not the Philippines. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but in other countries, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations. We need to respect the culture. So don't bring the things that we did in Philippines here in Malaysia, okay? Because this is not Philippines. Any problems or any concerns with your employer, you directly inform them because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I give you a scenario, Carmi. For example, if the employer keep on following you wherever you go inside the house, like you are doing your chores, right? So what will you do? Will you do this? Will you show them the sour face or what?
Uh, I will give him a smiling face, like when I'm cleaning, I will I will smile, mom only. I will
Okay,
do my, and then I when they ask me, oh, how are you? I'm good, ma'am, madam. I'm good, like that, ma'am.
okay. So Carmi,
Yes, ma'am.
embrace yourself, fasten your seatbelt because you might experience those unexpected things that you didn't experience in Middle East. Okay? So I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Thank
you,
you
ma'am.
so much and have a good day. Bye.
Bye.